Hello dear student, today I am here to discuss the problem based on the motion of follower as a simple harmonic motion. In this session, we will learn how to draw a cam profile when the follower is based on the simple harmonic motion. For this, we will have a numerical problem uh, such that we can see here this is a numerical problem, and the numerical problem is that a cam is to be designed for a knife edge follower with the following data. Cam lift is equal to 40 mm during the 90 degree of cam rotation with simple harmonic motion. We can see this is simple harmonic motion. The dual for the next 30 degree. During the next 60 degree of the cam rotation, follower returns its original position with simple harmonic motion and dual during the remaining 180 degree. That means two times the follower gets at the dual condition at the 30 degree and 180 degree, and from the starting at the 90 degree it is the outward stroke, and after dual at the 120 degree there is a 60 degree, and during this condition the follower returns back its original position. For this above condition we will have to draw a cam profile, and to draw a cam profile when the line of a stroke of the follower passes through the axis of the cam shaft, and when the line of a stroke is offset 20 mm from the cam shaft of axis. मीन्स हमें जो कैम प्रोफाइल ड्रॉ करना है वो दो केसेस के लिए करना है. पहला जब रेडियल कैम होता है और दूसरा ऑफसेट कैम के लिए. रेडियल मीन्स व्हेन द कैम एक्सिस एंड फॉलोवर एक्सिस आर द कोलिनियर्स, and when the follower axis and cam axis are not in collinear but it is at some distance from the center of the cam to the follower axis, that is given here 20 mm. Now first of all we will solve the first cases, that is for the radial cam when the cam axis is passes through the follower axis. Now for this, first of all we have to draw a displacement diagram. After that we can draw the cam profile. To draw a cam displacement diagram, first of all we have to use the take a suitable scale, and in this problem here I will take the scale 10 degree is equal to 1 centimeter. इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते समय हम स्केल यूज कर रहे हैं 10 degree is equal to 1 centimeter. Now look here at the problem. This is 90 degree. That means 90 degree is equal to 9 centimeter, and 30 degree is equal to 3 centimeter, and 60 degree is equal to 6 centimeter, and similarly 180 degree is equal to something. Now बिकॉज हम जो यहाँ पे वर्कआउट करते हैं वो आउट स्ट्रोक, डुएल और रिटर्न स्ट्रोक एंड फिर डुएल, लेकिन जो डुएल पीरियड होता है उसका कोई हमें यहाँ पे यूज नहीं होता है ड्राइंग करने में, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें डिवीजन और फोकस हम यहाँ पे नहीं करते हैं. यहाँ पे डायग्राम में सिर्फ हम देखते हैं कि आउट स्ट्रोक के ड्यूरेशन में और रिटर्न स्ट्रोक का केसेस कैसा हो रहा है. तो जैसा कि प्रॉब्लम में ही दिया हुआ है कि ड्यूरिंग द आउट स्ट्रोक द फॉलोवर मोशन इज ए सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन, एंड ड्यूरिंग द रिटर्न स्ट्रोक द मोशन ऑफ द फॉलोवर इज ए सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन. फॉर दिस वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट डायग्राम. नाउ स्केल यूज किए ये हम. अब ये देखते हैं हम कि सबसे पहले वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ए स्ट्रेट लाइन which is equal to 360 degree. That means something of the centimeter, but we talk about the only 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree also, and 180 degree. But in this diagram we take 90 degree first. First I draw a line that is called A, and this is X which is shown in this line. This is A and this is X. Now the second process is to draw a vertical line from A as a 40 mm because the cam lift is 40 mm. Now draw a 40 mm in the vertical from A and complete a rectangle like this. And after that from the A position draw a 90 degree of the cam rotation, that means 9 centimeter. We have to put a 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter we can see here. This line shows the 9 centimeter from the A position. We can see here this is the 9 centimeter. Now the student from here measure the 3 centimeter for the dual condition, mark it, and after that from this point measure the 6 centimeter for the outward return stroke. We can draw like this, and remaining of these are for the dual conditions. Now the next process is to divide the 6 equal number of part for the outer stroke. Now if the degree is, that means centimeter is 9 centimeter, and when the 9 centimeter is divided by 6 equal number of part, that means one division is equal to 1.5 centimeter, that means 15 mm. Now from a scale you have to measure this equal division of the 9 centimeter, that means this is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, we have to divide the return stroke into 6 equal number of part, that is 6 centimeter, and one is if the 6 centimeter is divided into 6 number of equal part, then one part is equal to 1 centimeter, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the next process is to name the point. This is 0, this is at the point A, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the return stroke we can put the name 0 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. The next process is to draw a semicircle on the stroke length. This is the stroke length, that is called the 40 mm, and at the midpoint of this stroke, this diagram, this is the height of this is 40 mm. Now from here 20 mm, take a compass and make a semicircle point, semicircle like this. We can see here this is a semicircle. In this diagram, this is a semicircle with a radius of 20 mm. Now student, this semicircle is also required to divide into 6 number of equal parts. That means this angle will be how much? If we draw a center line, now this will be 180 degree. This 180 degree is divided into 6 number of equal parts. That means one division is equal to 30 degree. Take a protractor and put here at the 0 line and divide 30 degree to each parts. Now this is 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each division is equal to 30 degree. We can see here 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180 degree. Now the next process is to draw a horizontal line from this line of division line of the semicircle. You can see here and name the all point. This is A. You can see here A, B, center point is C, D, E, and this is Y, and the lower point is capital A, which is at the 0. Now draw the horizontal line up to the return stroke. We can see here in the diagram, no problem, you can cross, and after completing the diagram you can erase the line from the this we can erase, but if we draw there is no problem. अगर यहाँ पे हम ड्रॉ कर भी देते हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उसी तरह से B से हम एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन लेंगे जो कि सीधा आउटर स्ट्रोक को होते हुए, डुअल को होते हुए ये रिटर्न स्ट्रोक तक चला जाएगा. आगे भी इसको एक्सटेंड कर देंगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. सिमिलरली C से ड्रॉ कर देंगे सेंटर लाइन जो कि इसको आगे भी बढ़ा सकते हैं हम. D से लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे हॉरिजॉन्टल, एंड उसी तरह से E से लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे, और यहाँ पे जो हमारा पॉइंट बनता है वो Y है, तो Y तो ये लाइन ऑलरेडी है. नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस हम क्या पाएंगे, ये जब ऐसे हम कर लेंगे, ये जब ऐसे हम ड्रॉ कर लेंगे तो क्या पाएंगे इस डायग्राम में हम कि there will be some point. Suppose this is taken as A. Now A point cut at this point. You can see here. Suppose we have to change the color. Yes friend, you can see here there is a one point. You can see here this is second point which cut at this point, and this 3 line cut is this point, and चौथा लाइन हमारा यहाँ पे कट जाता है, पांचवा लाइन यहाँ पे कटता है, और छठा तो हमारा यहाँ पे है ही. सपोज करते हैं हम ऐसा. यहाँ पे देख पाएंगे हम 0 लाइन से स्टार्ट हुआ, 1 लाइन जो हमारा है 1 डिवीजन वो B पॉइंट पे कटा, A तो 0 पे कट चुका, दूसरा जो पॉइंट है हमारा वो C पे कट गया, तीसरा जो डिवीजन है हमारा D पे कट गया, एंड चौथा डिवीजन यहाँ पे कटा, and this is the 5th point, and this is the 6th point. Similarly, we can see here in the return stroke, H is also a point, but it cuts at the exact horizontal position, upper horizontal position. J हमारा कटा यहाँ पे, ये हमारा 2 डैश K पे कट हुआ, 3 डैश L पे कट हुआ, 4 डैश M पे कट हुआ, एंड 5 डैश N पे, एंड 6 डैश P पे. नाउ स्टूडेंट, वी कैन सी हियर कि यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारा पॉइंट पाते हैं. अगर सारे पॉइंट को एक साथ मिला के ड्रॉ किया जाए फ्री हैंड से, तो हम एक स्मूथ कर्व पाएंगे. स्मूथ कर्व ऐसे पा पाएंगे, which already in draw, but we can make understand like this. This is the displacement diagram for the simple harmonic motion. Now friends, in the dual condition, we can see here the line will be a state. You can see a G to H and after P to X, whatever the centimeter from this side, we can suppose this is the straight line. Means this straight line shows there will be no any up and down in the follower. There is no any motion on in the follower. इस केस में, डुअल के केस में, इस डायग्राम से भी हम समझ सकते हैं कि फॉलोवर हमारा अभी न तो राइज किया है नहीं तो फॉल किया है. लेकिन इस डायग्राम में देख पा रहे हैं हम कि 0 से लेके G तक हमारा जो फॉलोवर है बहुत स्मूथली ही ऊपर की ओर राइज कर रहा है. कुछ देर तक डुअल रहेगा 30 डिग्री तक, इसके बाद वो रिटर्न केस में आएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा देख रहे हैं क्या, इस डायग्राम से एक और बात समझ में आ रहा है हमको कि जब रिटर्न हो रहा है तो थोड़ा क्विकली हो रहा है, बिकॉज जब रेज कर रहा है इन द 90 डिग्री, बट व्हेन इट गेट रिटर्न स्ट्रोक देयर वेरी फास्ट देन द आउट स्ट्रोक. नाउ स्टूडेंट, we will have to draw the cam profile with the help of this diagram. Now let's draw the cam profile. This is a cam profile, but I can explain how to draw the cam profile here. First of all students, we have to draw a base circle of cam. Firstly, we have to draw a base circle of cam. Suppose like this base circle of cam, which is shown by this line. See, red in color. This is the base circle, we can see here. This is the base circle, and this is a knife edge follower, and the case first is the axis of the follower is passing through the axis of the cam. We can easily see in here, this is the axis of follower which is passes through center of the cam. This O will be the center of the cam. Now for the outer stroke, put a protector here and meet a 0 point and divide this is first outer stroke into 90 degree. First draw a 90 degree from this reference line. Now the 90 degree is this is 90 degree, and for the next 30 degree you can see this is 30 degree, and the next this is 60 degree. Now we require to divide this 90 degree into 6 number of equal parts, that is 15 degree. Put a protector here and mark at the base circle of the cam. This is at the 15 degree, this is 30 degree. From this line, this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree, 75 degree, and this is 90 degree. Now connect the point from center of the cam. Draw a line which cut at the point 1. We can extend this line like this and draw from the center. You can also draw from the center which cross the base circle at point 2, and this line is also from the center which is cut at the point 3. You can see here, and this will be extended, this will be also extended, this will be also extended, no problem. Similarly, we have to divide the 6 number of equal part for the return stroke. We can see here, and in the return stroke we can also draw a division from the center of the cam. You can see here, if this divided into 6 number of equal part, that means this is H line, this is 1 dash. You can see here 1 dash, like here you can see here, this is 1 dash. First of all 0 dash is here, and for the 1 dash mark the equal parts is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. You can extend the all line, no problem, and this is 180 degree. Now dear student, the next process is to get how to get a point for the drawing a curve. Now the point is from measure from the displacement diagram. Take a compass and put a compass here and measure the distance up to point B, and this will be taken from here, and this is put on the base circle of the cam at the point 1. तो हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि बेस सर्कल पे 1 पॉइंट हमारा यहाँ पे है, तो ये जो बी पॉइंट है हमारा, अभी बी पॉइंट एक्चुअली हमें देना नहीं है, तो हम कट करेंगे यहाँ पे, जो पॉइंट हमारा बनेगा दैट पॉइंट विल बी बी. नाउ मेजर द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम 2 to C. ये मेजर करेंगे और जो हम कंपास रखेंगे दूसरे पॉइंट पे जो कि बेस सर्कल पे हमारा है, और कट करेंगे पॉइंट को, जो पॉइंट हमें मिलेगा उस पॉइंट को C बोलेंगे हम. सिमिलरली वी कैन मेजर 4 to E, 5 to F and 6 to G. Now cut the point from the base circle and we are getting this. Now we are getting some point, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are getting 6 point from the outer stroke. Similarly student, we can get a point from the displacement diagram for the return stroke. We can extend this. Now first to measure, because we are moving from here to this side, so we can't take the distance from this side. हमको एक साइड से चलना होता है, तो हम हमेशा लेफ्ट से राइट की ओर जा रहे हैं, तो लेफ्ट की ओर जा रहे हैं, तो पहला ड्यूअल में तो कुछ नहीं करना, बिकॉज ड्यूअल में कोई डिवीजन नहीं हमारा. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज नो नीड टू ड्रॉ एनी डिवीजन इन द ड्यूअल कंडीशन, बिकॉज द फॉलोअर इज इन द रेस्ट कंडीशन. दैट्स व्हाई we will see in the return for the return stroke and measure the distance from 0 dash to H. Now put a compass here and pencil is here. Now make a adjustment and put the 0 dash in the base circle of cam. You can put the circle here, point of the compass here, and cut the from the pencil here. Similarly from the 1 dash measure the distance J and cut at this point. We can get a J point, and similarly 2 dash to K, 3 dash to L, 4 dash to M and 5 dash to N and P dash to P. Because in this displacement diagram 0 and A lies in the same point and 6 dash and P lies on the same point. That's why you can see here there is a 0 and A, and here P and 6 dash. Now cut the point from the base circle to measure the distance from the displacement diagram, and we will see here there is some points, that is some points in the outer stroke and some point in the रिटर्न स्ट्रोक. अब हम क्या करेंगे फ्रेंड्स कि हर पॉइंट को एक दूसरे के साथ जहां पे कट किया है उसको स्मूथ फ्री हैंड से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको पेंसिल के सहायता से मैच करा देंगे ऐसे, और एक स्मूथ कर्व बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. ये जो हमारा नया कर्व बना है ना, due to meeting of the all point together, this curve is called the cam profile. Exactly, this is the cam profile. We can see here this is the cam profile. This is the cam profile. Now if we talk about the complete cam profile, then I am taking the line, and if you out this diagram, and ये जो डायग्राम देख रहे हैं आप, ये जो हम अभी बना है, कंटूर बना है, ये कंटूर को ही हम लोग कैम प्रोफाइल बोलते हैं. एग्जैक्टली अभी जब कैम प्रोफाइल होगा तो ये सब बीच का कुछ भी नहीं होगा, सिर्फ प्रोफाइल अगर मैन्युफैक्चर होके आएगा तो सिर्फ ये हमें शेप जो है कैम का ऐसा दिखेगा, इस तरह का कैम दिखेगा. और अगर इसको हम मशीन में लगाते हैं तो जैसा टास्क हमारा प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ था कि 60 डिग्री ऑफ कैम 90 डिग्री कैम रोटेशन के बाद आउट स्ट्रोक होगा, 30 डिग्री तक डुअल रहेगा, फिर 60 डिग्री में रिटर्न होगा, आफ्टर दैट वो डुअल कंडीशन में रहेगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट, द सेकंड केस इज दैट फॉर द ऑफसेट कंडीशन, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ऑफसेट फॉलोअर. एंड ऑफसेट फॉलोअर इज दैट कि जो कैम का एक्सिस होगा वो फॉलोवर के एक्सिस से मिच नहीं करेगा, कोलिनियर नहीं होगा। तो आइए देखते हैं कि कैसे हम लोग इस केस में कैम प्रोफाइल ड्रॉ करते हैं। 50% सिमिलरिटीज है दोनों में, कि दोनों का जो ड्रॉ करने का तरीका है कि स्लाइटली डिफरेंस है, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसमें। Now the case is that the profile of the cam when the line of stroke of the follower is offset 20 mm from the axis of the cam. You can see here for this diagram we have to draw a complete circle which is radius as a 40 mm. We can see here this is a radius 40 mm. This is O is the radius center of the cam, and we have to make the offset circle which is the radius is equal to 20 mm. We put the point here, center of the cam, and make a small circle which is called offset circle, which has radius as a whatever the offset condition is given here. This is 20 mm. Now 20 mm here is the, you can see here, this is the offset circle. This is the offset circle and this is the base circle. We can see here, and the offset circle, in the offset circle the radius is taken as a 20 mm and in the base circle radius is taken as a 40 mm. Now friends, from the offset circle tangent draw a straight line here, means follower axis. This is not a line but it is an axis, and at this point the follower axis is lies. You can see here this is the follower axis. Now from the questions we can now say that in this diagram the follower axis is 20 mm away from the center of the cam. Now student, the next process is that mark the point follower and draw a straight line like this, and firstly measure the 90 degree, because in the 90 degree there is a outer stroke, and 90 degree is divided into 6 equal number of part, that means 15 degree each part, and put a protector here and cut firstly point on the base circle, not drawing the line from the center because this is the offset condition. So firstly we have to mark a line at a distance of 15 degree. Now firstly this is 15 degree, 1 point, this is 2 point which is at the 30 degree, this is 3.45 degree, 4.60 degree, and this is fifth point. You can see here this is 75 degree, and this is ace point which is 90 degree. Now friends, if we divide this arc in the 6 equal number of part, that is equal to 15 degree. Now draw a tangent from the offset circle. In this offset condition, in this condition as we see here, the line is drawn from the center of the cam, but in the offset condition line is not drawn from the center of the cam, but it is drawn from the tangent to the tangent of the offset circle. यहाँ पे हम सेंटर से कभी भी लाइन को ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे ऑफसेट के केस में, हमेशा ऑफसेट पे टेंजेंट के थ्रू हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे। तो देख पा रहे हैं कि 1 पॉइंट को अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते फर्स्ट टेंजेंट, तो ये हमारा जो पॉइंट टेंजेंट ऐसे ड्रॉ होगा, उसी तरह से हम ये C को 2 को ड्रॉ करेंगे, 3 को पास करते हुए ऐसे ड्रॉ कर देंगे। दिस ऑल पॉइंट्स कम फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट टेंजेंट पॉइंट। वी कैन ड्रॉ इजीली फॉर द फोर्थ डायग्राम, this is for the fifth point and this is for the sixth point. You can extend. Now students, the next process is that for the return stroke also take a protector and divide this R to P is equidistance, and this is the equal to 60 degree. Now the 60 degree divided into 6 number of equal part, that is 10 degree. Now cut the point here, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50 and this 60. Now also we can draw the tangent from the offset circle. We can meet a 0 dash point, sorry, and we start from tangent to cut a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, and this is 6 dash. Now student, the next step is to measure the distance from the displacement diagram. You can see the displacement diagram, that is 1 to B, 2 to C, 3 to D, 4 to E. Now we can take the distance with the help of compass and put the, you can see here 1 to B, 2 to C. Now put the compass here at the one point and cut at the B. We are getting the point B, and put the compass at C and cut the distance, that is equal to, we are getting the point C, and when this is the for D, this is E, F, and this is G. Similarly, we have to measure from the displacement diagram distance in the return stroke. We can see here 0 dash to H, 1 dash to J, 2 dash to K, 3 dash L, 4 dash M, 5 dash N, and 6 and P will be the same point. Now student, put the compass here and cut the distance which is equal to H. Put the compass here at the 1 dash, similarly up to the 6 dash at the P distance. Now students, from the previous cases and similar to previous cases, we are getting some points. This point are A, because it is a point of the application of the follower. We can see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Similarly H, J, K, L, M, N and P. Now सारे पॉइंट को अगर हम फिर से ऐसे मैच करा देते हैं फ्री हैंड स्केच से, तो ये हमारा जो नया कंटूर बन रहा है वो हमारा कैम प्रोफाइल कहलाएगा. So this is the cam profile whatever we drawn here from the pen, and we can easily understand from this diagram. This is the cam profile. We can see here this is the cam profile. This is very easy to draw the cam profile on the paper, and this profile perform the task whatever given in the questions for the offset condition. This is the offset condition and this is the follower. If you manufacture the cam will look like only this is the blue line contour which gives the follower motion as like. Thank you.